Hi everyone, welcome back. So it's April and every month I always look forward to my Callaloo box. So this month I heard that it's the Trinbago Chinese box. So there's gonna be a lot of products that we use in Trinbago Chinese cooking. So Trinbago Chinese and real Chinese, they're totally different. Our Chinese back home is like a fusion of Caribbean and Chinese. So I think you all are gonna love these products. If you haven't checked out Callaloo box yet, they're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You can email them. They have their website, which is www.callaloobox.com. You can use the hashtag CallalooBox. And every month in these subscription boxes, you'll get vital ingredients in Caribbean cooking. So I think it's really worth it, and you should definitely check out Callaloo box. And you don't have to get it every single month. There's an online grocery store on their website, so you can choose a single product or whatever you want to choose. You don't have to get the box. And there is a snack box as well, so all these snacks that we know and love from back home, you can find it on their website. So make sure you go check them out. It's really worth checking out. So stay tuned to see the reveal of this month's Callaloo box. So as always, every Callaloo box you open, you get an info card that tells you the theme of the box. It gives you a little brief information on what's inside the box. So it gives you each product and it tells you what it is, a suggested use, and a helpful tip. So we got Chinese sauce. So this is a sauce made from molasses, sugar, spices, salt, and vinegar. And its suggested use is that it's a versatile sauce, and it's gonna add authentic Trinbago Chinese flavors to many dishes, such as Trinidad Chinese style chicken, fried rice, or chow mein. And a helpful tip is that a little goes a long way, so use sparingly. We also got garlic and ginger soy sauce. This is a must. If you've never tried these chief garlic and ginger soy sauces, you need to try them out. We got some shaker seasonings, scorpion pepper sauce, but I think in this month's box I got the Berties regular hot pepper because of low stock. So if you order it, once they're in stock, they'll let you know if they have the scorpion pepper. So we also got some preserved mango or red mango. If you're from the Caribbean, you know how important this is to us. This is one of the top snacks. And ginger mints. Actually, ginger mints are really quite popular. You can get them in every West Indian store here in New York. And a quick story, my auntie, she works at Casey Candy. She's the manager there. So as a child growing up, I used to get a lot of these because she used to bring these home for us. So I ate so much of this as a child, and I still do when I go back home. These are really, really delicious. The ginger taste is so strong. And in every box you buy, I love that they give you a little personalized note. So it says, "Thank you, Reshmi. We hope you enjoy what's inside as much as we enjoyed putting it together just for you. We hope it transports you to the shores of our beautiful islands of Trinidad and Tobago. Please visit us on our website at www.callaloobox.com and leave a comment in our review section. Take a picture of your box and tag us on Instagram and Facebook. Hashtag CallalooBox. Enjoy. XOXO, Malika and Jamila." Malika and Jamila are the two lovely sisters who came up with the idea of the Callaloo box. So show some love to them in the comments below. So they just had to put the red mango at the top. And it's quite a big bag too. So this is Paula's sweet mango. This is quite delicious. Paula has some good stuff. The ginger mints. Got some chow mein seasoning. So you know those chow mein noodles? That is very popular in the Caribbean. This is what they use to season it up. Here we have some chief Chinese seasoning. Some fried rice seasoning. Now we have all the bottled stuff hidden. So here we have this Chinese sauce. So you can use this to season up your chicken and stuff to make Chinese chicken. We also have this garlic soy sauce. These chief flavored soy sauces are the best. And this delicious Berties Pepper Sauce is a must in every Caribbean kitchen. If you love hot pepper, or even if you just like tasty food, trust me on this, you have to get a bottle of this. It's one of the closest pepper sauces to your homemade pepper sauce. It doesn't taste like there's chemicals or any preservatives or anything in it. It's just a real homemade flavor. So if you can get it in New York, you can find it in most of the roti shops. I haven't seen it in the West Indian stores, but the roti shops do have it. So check them out. But you can definitely check out the Callaloo Box website and buy it from their online grocery store. So Callaloo Box will hook you up with everything you need. And lastly, we got the ginger soy sauce. So I actually have a bottle of this that's nearly finished. So I'm so happy that I got this in this month's box, because I'm gonna make a Chinese style rotisserie chicken, and I'll try to share how I season it up with you guys, because I'm gonna use some of these seasonings. So I'm not gonna share like a full recipe or anything, so I'll just share how I season it and then how I cook it. But it's not going to be a very extensive recipe. However, if you do want the recipe, a full recipe, leave me a comment below and let me know. And if you want any other recipes using ingredients from this box, please leave me a comment below as well. I'd be happy to share any recipes you want. So I have a whole chicken here. So all I did was I washed it out with some lime. Make sure the cavity is clean, because we're going to season up in there too. And I'm going to make a rotisserie Chinese style chicken with the ingredients from the Callaloo box. So first I'm going to add all the liquid ingredients to this little bowl. So I have my ginger soy sauce here. And we're not adding any salt to this recipe because the soy sauce does contain a good amount of sodium. We have the garlic soy sauce here. And if you want, you can use some of this Chinese sauce, but this does have molasses in it, and I don't want any sweetness in this recipe or any sugar. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this Berties Pepper Sauce for a little spiciness. Gosh, just smelling that making my mouth water. And all you're going to do is just rub the chicken. Make sure it goes inside. Now I'm gonna season it up with some ground garlic. I have lots of ground garlic here mixed with some ground hot pepper as well as some shadow Beni leaves or Bandhania. And the shadow Beni leaves and the hot pepper are totally optional. You don't have to add those. Next I have some ground ginger here. Lots of ground ginger. So I'm just gonna season chicken with that. You could stuff some under the skin. So next what I'm gonna do is add a little 5-spice seasoning. This is also kinda traditional in Trinbago Chinese seasoning. And I'm gonna add this chief Chinese seasoning. It is similar to the 5-spice, but it doesn't have all the ingredients. That smells good. So Kevin is setting up the chicken to go on the rotisserie. So I had it marinating for about 2 hours. If you're gonna bake this in your oven, I will leave all the instructions in the description box. So the chicken is in the oven. I have it set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit here. And I am going to put it at rotisserie and then plug it in. Or it's gonna go at 60 and then I'll come back and put it for next 30. So it's at 30 minutes. So we still have 60 minutes to go, but as you can see, it's getting nice and brown and crispy. So there's just a few minutes left, so I would say about 8 minutes left. And you see that nice uniformed, really brown color. It's from the soy sauce, but it's also that uniform baking that the rotisserie oven does. That looks so delicious. Yum. So the chicken is finished. Nice. It has that nice skin on the outside. Wow. So I'm gonna cut into the chicken. As you can see, it's already fallen off the bone. Nice. See, it's still really hot. The meat is so juicy. I don't know if you could tell how nice and juicy and moist it is. I'm gonna taste it. That is amazing. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing the contents of the Trinbago Chinese box this month. Be sure to leave all your comments below. Be sure you sign up for the Callaloo box. So head over to their website, www.callaloobox.com. Go and subscribe for the April's Callaloo box so you could get all this good stuff. You can even buy individual items from their website. And also follow them on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, all at Callaloo box. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can stay updated with every single video that I post. And let me know what's your favorite product or snack that we got in this month's box. So until I see you all in my next video, bye!